All right, okay, so we are in National Harbor. I got that right, okay. Now, this is the epicenter of all things entertainment when it comes to Prince George's County. We're talking about 2 resorts, a casino, a theater for live entertainment. We're talking about shopping, waterfront, a giant Ferris wheel. I mean, the list goes on. But of course, this is a real estate show. So we are also going to show you the homes that are around here. This is Love and Real Estate. All right, well, it is actually a strong 79-degree day in National Harbor, Maryland, in the heart of Prince George's County. It is springtime, but the sun is beaming. Tell them about it. Tell them all the things that people can get done here at National Harbor.
All right, guys, so we're going to talk about the entertainment and the lifestyle, right? So whether it's spring or summer, there is a number of activities for you to do. I'm just not talking about entertainment. There's a food and wine festival, there's an outdoor concert, and also there is a beautiful movie theater that actually faces the river for an outdoor movie night. During the winter time, it's actually a winter wonderland here. I mean, there is a beautiful ice sculpture that is located here, and then also different family fun activities, gingerbread making, pictures with Santas. There is a host of activities for you to do. And also, if you're an athlete and you like to run, you like to bike, there's a beautiful trail that actually takes you through Alexandria. So guys, when it comes to lifestyle and entertainment, I mean, there is a host of things to do here.
Guys, you just never know what you're gonna run into at National Harbor. We literally were just walking by and this awesome lady right here said, yo, do you wanna try this? We said, yeah, cheers. Cheers. Rosa Mexicano, make sure that you try it out.
Oh, this is so refreshing.
Oh my God.
Okay. I know what I'm ordering next time I come.
Okay. Well, okay, here we go. Okay, wait a minute. First of all, thank you so much.
Why did it go wrong with chocolate?
Why did it fall apart like a funnel cake in my mouth? Oh. I want like a plate full of that.
Rosa Mexicano, National Harbor, come and see us, please. Thank you.
All right, well, I wanted to explain something. So I already talked about the food and entertainment, but National Harbor is actually broken down into 3 key areas, and we're standing in one of them. So there is the Tangar Outlets, where all of our shopping dreams can be accomplished. If you have a goal, you can achieve it. And then there is the MGM, which is the casino. And then of course, National Harbor proper. It's not really a true name for it, but that's the area that we just came from. So National Harbor is the complete destination. It has shopping, it has food, it has entertainment, it has a place to stay, multiple places to stay, 6 hotels in fact.
Correct, yeah. So you have a whole variety to pick from.
And then, if you really love the place, you can actually live there. What do you guys think? Go ahead and take a look.
All right, guys, welcome. We're in the beautiful neighborhood of Potomac Overlook. We're gonna look at a luxury townhome. I mean, this townhome is beautiful. We're talking about 4 levels, 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and a beautiful loft that overlooks the city as well as Alexandria. Can't wait to show you guys. Come on.
Y'all thought y'all were gonna see a real estate video, but in actuality, y'all gonna see a dancing video. Take it, AD.
I can't compete against that. Let me try. Hi guys, welcome back. We are here in the National Harbor. Amanda's gonna take you through this beautiful home. It's a full level home, 3,000 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and it's priced at the mid-sevens.
All right, let's get into one of my fantastic home tours. So, honestly, this is a picture of what luxury townhouses looks like in Prince George's County. You can find these in quite a few communities, but what I really love is the proximity to the National Harbor. Now, you are inside of a gated community, so that's a major plus. But come on, let's get in the kitchen. Now we have our half bath on the end here. Our giant island with granite countertop, and there is so much closet space. What did I say, closet space? I have a problem with clothes. It is the cabinet space. Oh my gosh, I mean, drawers, cabinets, lazy Susans, window cabinets, anchored with stainless steel appliances, and of course, stainless steel fridge. Now, our bedroom level, we have a large landing, plenty of carpet on the bedroom level, because who wants to walk on hardwood on their bedroom levels? So we have 2 bedrooms. Both bedrooms are anchored with their own in-bedroom suite. So, first one, large bedroom, plenty of space, and then it glides beautifully into tile, granite, dual sink, soaking tub, massive. I mean, don't you just feel regal? You know, I don't smoke cigarettes, but I feel this moment right now. Absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, I can do this. And I'm pretty sure many of you ladies and gentlemen as well can do this. Yeah, I can fulfill this challenge. I can get an A in filling this up. Now, and then, oh, AD, I found you in the room. What were you hiding? He's so silly. So silly. All right, and then the secondary bedroom has a smaller bathroom, but still a full bathroom nonetheless inside the bedroom. So it's a townhome where every single bedroom has its own in-suite. We have another bedroom to my left, but I want to hang out here in this open space. We're accompanied with a wet bar, dishwasher, wine rack, window cabinets to display all of your libations or not. And then this is my favorite part, guys. Our rooftop patio. Absolutely gorgeous. So beautiful. I mean, and then you have purposeful and intentional views of the Woodrow Wilson Bridge bleeding directly into Alexandria, and even some small views of Washington, D.C. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, we've only seen 3 out of the 4 levels. Let's go take a look. So we are on the loft. We did the main level. We did the bedroom levels. There has to be a lower level. Let's go find that. And you know, when you move to Washington, D.C., you're gonna kind of earn that Washington, D.C. pace. We walk fast. And there's our basement level. Yes. So we have another base level where we can do kind of anything with. It's kind of an open to the interpretation room. Interesting, because we can maybe even turn this into another bedroom. We have a closet, we have an open space, but then we have another bathroom. Half bathroom, fabulous. So we counted 2 half baths, 3 full baths, 3 in each room, 3 full baths, 3 bedrooms, a wet bar, a loft, and a backyard patio. Absolutely, all of this right here next to the National Harbor for the mid-sevens. Yes, absolutely, this is a good win. Oh my gosh. Then we have the toast. We have the toast.
Is this together?
Yes, of course.
Alright, this will be.
Let's take this together.
I didn't even hear you.
And would you like to print a receipt?
No, thank you.
Save the treat.
One for 90.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
Mac is right here.
Okay.
Fabulous. Awesome.
All right, guys, welcome to the end of our episode. Thank you guys for watching. I mean, we covered everything about the National Harbor.
I love when they're hanging out with us, really. It just gets us out the office, you know. But, guys, we saw everything. We excited, babe. We saw everything about the National Harbor.
A little bit about history, a little about the lifestyle, entertainment, the shops.
We even saw some houses along the way as well.
Yeah.
But, guys, of course, I want you guys to, of course, like and subscribe. And, of course, if you are thinking about living in the National Harbor area, or you know someone who's thinking about living in National Harbor, make sure that you share this video. Well, I'm Amanda.
A.D.
And this is Love and Real Estate. And until next time, bye.